say goodbye to all the data quality headaches. Use data that's reliable for all the important boardroom decisions.
To answer all your burning questions on iDAF, we have with us Arunachalam Sankaralingam, our Senior Vice President of Quality Engineering with us today.
Can you give us a glimpse about Indium's data schedules accelerator that's been your brainchild?
The journey has been longer. We started small, we continue to expand with multiple customer implementations, and we have been having continuous improvements in terms of features that are getting added through the central solution team that we have, and it is continuing to grow. That's what I mean.
Consistency and efficiency are vital. How does iDAF automate data validation tasks to keep running things smoothly?
On cost operations, the important aspect is to ensure when they move data from one source to another, ensuring that data quality is intact. So this is predominantly done manually. And through iDAF, what we are trying to do is have this ability to connect to heterogeneous data sources and do all the validations in an automated way. Predominantly, these activities are done by writing SQL queries, manually analyzing the results, and then reporting failures. Right? And through iDAF, what we are now doing is enabling the testers to do these activities in an automated fashion. The tool takes care of the failure analysis, which considerably reduces the overall execution time frame and the dependency on the individual. Right? That's the approach that we have taken to accelerate the whole testing and bring in data quality consistency aspects from the automation end.
As a leader in the digital assurance space, what's your take on the extent of iDAF's utilization across industries?
So I would say iDAF is domain agnostic because we work with data sources and the heterogeneous data sources. So it is a technology enabler, but then the usage of this accelerator is predominantly of the BFSI sector. I have seen that tremendously with a lot of data movements, end of day batch queries, real-time data inclusion, where we need to do a reconciliation. Right? So such reconciliation when we have to do, that's where iDAF comes into play. So I would say BFSI as the number one domain where we have heavy need for automation, especially on the data space. And then comes other segments as well, insurance, when we are doing a migration, when we are moving from one platform to another, and then even in the retail sector where we need to analyze customer growth. All of these are scenarios across domains. So I would not say it is applicable only for this domain, but heavily used in BFSI.
The iDAF do more than just data validation.
Yes, as we speak, there are many more features that are getting integrated into the platform. Say, for example, we have recently added capability to do with metadata validation. So, if there are migrations where we want to ensure not pure data reconciliation, but the underlying objects are intact before an upgrade and after an upgrade, it could be a simple Salesforce upgrade, where we don't need to look at the data, but then the application as such is intact before and after upgrade. So those are scenarios that we are adding. We are also going to add capability on PDS as a comparison, which is not purely focusing on the data. So there are features that are additionally coming beyond what I spoke about on the metadata enhancements.
How does iDAF stand apart from other such accelerators and commercial tools in the market?
I would say we are very well on par and above on certain features when it compared to commercial tools, because we have cluster-based execution to have higher compute capabilities, DevOps integration, and with the centralized team, we continue to enhance the platform as per the needs. So that's why I would say we are on par and above the commercial tools.